Hi everyone, in today's video I will walk you through how you can build the Shopify Checkout UI Extension where you can give a merchant option to display the featured product so customer can buy the product on the checkout. If they click on the add to cart button, this will be added automatically into the cart, and they can change this product from the customizer. Let me remove this product from the cart, and if I go to checkout again, you will see the product, and you can simply change this product from the admin. This time I will select this product and click on save, and if I reload the checkout again, you will see we have a different product you might also like section. So again, if I click on add, it will be added into the cart. So how this extension was built, let me show you the code. First we have this extension.setting field Metafield, where we have key, type and name, and this is variant reference, and you need to define that in shopify.extension.toml. And if you need more information, you can click on this link and get the more information about the Metafields. And then we have checkout.tsx file where we have imported some React components. So if I go down, and this is my app, and we have use API function to query, to make the GraphQL query, and then we have setting. We call this function useSettings. This help us to get the Metafield data, and setting dot selected variant as string. We will get the variant ID which we have selected in the admin, and then we have apply cart line changes variable, and we call this function useApplyCartLineChange. What this function does, this function make the changes into the cart line whenever we add any new item into the cart. We will use this function. And then we have cart line. This cart line will return all the item into the carts. So you can see, let me show you. So you can see them, console.log, and we can see the selected variant ID. We can see cart lines, and we can see the setting as well. So let's go back over here and reload and go to the console, and you can see we have cart line. Right now we have one item, and here we have the cost attribute, the ID of the variant, and then we have merchandise. In the merchandise we have variant and the product, etc., and the quantity. So next, if you see the setting object, we will in the setting we will get the Metafield information, and in the selected variant it is undefined because it takes some time to load and then show the variant ID there. So let me remove this log again, and now as you can see we have a useEffect method, the state, and in this we fetch the data from by using GraphQL query, and as you can see we have await query, and this is the GraphQL query, and we pass the variable, and where we have passed the variant ID, and it find the product and return the ID, title, price, amount, and image and URL, etc. Then when we get this information, we set that variant data into this variable. So we have a variant data state, and when we fetch that data, we set that data into the variant data variable, and we fetch the data of variant on the load. If there is no variant ID, then we return null. Then we see if there is a data item already exists in the cart line, then we return a null. If the product is already into the cart like this, then we will not show the featured block over here. So if I go back to code again, then we have the different variable for the image and the for image alt text, and finally we have the handleAdd function. This run when we press the add button. We set the adding loading true, and then we call this function useApplyCartLineChange, and then we pass the type add cart line and merchandise ID the variant data.id and quantity 1. This will add the variant into the cart, and if there is any error, we will set the error show error true. And this is the featured block which was coming under the line items. We have the heading you might also like, and then we have inline layout where we have image, title, amount, and add button. On this button, when we press this button, we call this handleAdd button, and this add product into the cart. So very simple, very easy. This is how you can build the simple checkout UI extension. Please remember, this extension only works in Shopify Plus account. If you have basic or advanced plan, this extension will not run there. So if your client has only Shopify Plus account, then this extension will work. I hope this will make sense to you, and thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.